Did you know that Amazon charges you a set fee every month just to sell on their website? And with each sale you make, Amazon takes a percentage of that revenue, calling it the Amazon Referral Fee. On top of that, they meticulously categorize your product into different size tiers just to charge even more for picking and packing. Today's video is all about Amazon FBA fees, and we're going to untangle the costs of selling on Amazon. Given Amazon's recent change in fee structures, we're going to delve into policies as of now in April 2024. I'm going to teach you how to navigate each of these fees so that you can boost your profit and cut the unnecessary costs. Let's get started. So first we have the monthly subscription fee. This is a monthly fixed rate for having an Amazon seller account that allows you to sell on Amazon. There is the professional selling plan, which is $39.99 a month. But if you're not yet an active seller, you can go for the individual plan, which is 99 cents per item sold. So if you do the math, this means that if you're planning to sell more than 40 items a month, you should go for the professional plan. But even if you're not actively selling and you decide to go for the individual plan, you're still going to be missing out on some of the fabulous tools that are included in the professional plan. This includes the Amazon Product Opportunity Explorer, which gives you real Amazon data for you to do product research with. So unless you're paying for a third-party tool such as Helium 10 or Jungle Scout, I highly recommend you to go for the professional plan because this tool is really helpful and underrated. Comment down below if you want to see a tutorial for how to use this tool. Next up, we have the Amazon Referral Fee. Amazon takes a percentage of your total sales price, and this is category dependent. For most categories, this fee is around 15%, but it does vary. You can see fees as high as 45% for Amazon device accessories, while categories like computers and consumer electronics are lower at 8%. And finally, we have the famous Amazon FBA Fulfillment Fee. This is like a commission for having access to Amazon's massive consumer base, and it depends on the size and weight of your product. Let's say, for example, you're selling a box of crayons that measures 12 by 3 by 0.79 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds. This is how you would calculate the Amazon FBA fee for this product. So first, you're going to determine the product size tier based on your dimensions. And this is the updated chart starting on February 5th, 2024. The longest side of the box is 12 inches and the median side is 3 inches. So you can see that so far this product is going to be small standard size. However, if you look at the shortest side, which is 0.79 inches, this exceeds the 0.75 inch limit for being small standard size, making this box of crayons a large standard size. Next, we need to determine the shipping weight, and Amazon calculates this using the unit weight and the dimensional weight of the product. I know I'm throwing out a lot of definitions, but I do have a tip for you to make this all so much easier, so keep watching until the end. So the unit weight is the actual weight of the product in pounds, and the dimensional weight is calculated using this equation right here. Feel free to pause and take a screenshot of this. So using this equation, the dimensional weight turns out to be 0.2 pounds. So as you can see in this chart, for large standard size items, Amazon uses the greater of the unit weight or the dimensional weight in order to calculate your shipping weight. So for our case, that's going to be 1.2 pounds. So now that we have our product size tier and the shipping weight, we can use this chart right here to determine the exact Amazon FBA fee for this box of crayons. So given that we have a large standard size product that weighs 1 to 1.25 pounds, the current cost for Amazon to pick and pack this product would be $5.19, and it's going to decrease to $4.99 starting on April 15th, 2024 with the new Amazon policy. Now remember how this product was categorized as large standard size simply because its shortest side was over 0.75 inches? Here's another tip for you. If we can somehow shorten the length from 0.79 inches to 0.75 and reduce the weight by 0.2 pounds, our Amazon FBA fee will be reduced to $3.65 rather than $4.99, saving you $1.34 per unit. And for a product that sells only around $18, that's 7% of your margins. But it's also super important that you run this product through the VOC AI report so that you know exactly what your customers want in a box of crayons. That way, if you decide to shorten the length of the box for whatever reason, such as reducing fees, you know that you're not going to get any negative reviews from doing this. Now, that was a lot of math and tedious calculation just to figure out what the FBA fees are for a product. And I know if you're doing product research and you're trying to look at different categories of products, this can be really slow and tedious. Which brings me to my third tip. Use the Amazon FBA Calculator for a much faster cost estimate. This tool is completely free and I'm going to link it in the description for you to check out. So all you have to do is find a competitor product that is similar to what you want to sell on Amazon and paste in their ASIN. Type in your item price and click calculate. So here we can see the 15% referral fee and the fulfillment fees that this competitor had to pay. This number is more than enough for you to estimate your margins when you're researching different products from different niches. So once you've narrowed down to the exact product that you're going to sell and are actively working with your manufacturer, you can then do a detailed calculation of your fulfillment fee and try to find ways to reduce it, the way I did with our crayon box. And there you have it, part 1 of our guide to Amazon FBA fees, covering the essentials to get you started. But there's more to Amazon fees than what meets the eye, so stay tuned for part 2 where we cover all the miscellaneous costs that are associated with selling on Amazon that is often overlooked but can really pile up. Understanding these can truly make a difference in your selling strategy. VOC AI offers specialized software for Amazon sellers, complete with tutorials and educational content on how to use AI in e-commerce. We provide proven success tips all for free on this channel. If you found this video to be helpful, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the VOC AI Training Academy, where we give you tips on how to sell smarter, not harder. My name is Ray and I will see you in part 2 of this video for more insider tips on how to master Amazon FBA fees.